Oh my goodness. Hi there, today's recipe is pork offal stew. Yes, offal, not awful. In short, it's just pork organs. You can put anything. For example, we decided we want pork heart. We also add pork uterus. And also pork stomach. We also add 600 ml of coconut water, followed by 5 spice powder. Then we need salt, pepper, and sugar. Then some shallot and garlic. Next, we need soy sauce and some vinegar. Finally, we're going to need some cooking wine and some ginger. Begin by washing the organs once with cold water. For the stomach, first step is to add some salt and vinegar. Step 2, squeeze it hard to eliminate the mucus. Just like washing clothes. Look at that. Good job, lady. You have strong hands. Keep going. Once done, wash it. Then repeat the step 1 and 2 3 times. Proceed the same way with the pork uterus, meaning add the salt and vinegar, then squeeze it, and squeeze it. And then wash it properly. Then repeat the same steps 2 more times. After that, cut them in small pieces. Be sure to use a sharp knife for better result. Again, good job, lady. The next step is to boil water in a big pan, then add a few slices of ginger and also cooking wine. Then add the offal and cook it for about 5 minutes. After that, remove all the organs. Then wash them with cold water and leave it aside until they become dry. The next step is to marinate the offal with 2 tablespoons of 5 spice powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, then 2 tablespoons of sugar, half teaspoon of pepper, finally a 1/3 cup of soy sauce. Mix it well and marinate it for about 30 minutes. Now, chop the shallot and garlic into small pieces. In a hot pan, add some oil. Then add the minced garlic and shallot. Fry them a little bit. Then add all the organs. Stir for a few minutes to infuse the spices. Next, add the marinated sauce and 1 bottle of coconut juice, which is equivalent of 300 milliliter. Now, Cover the pan, then boil it. Once done, lower the heat to near simmer level and cook it for 30 more minutes. Finally, take them out and cut them in small pieces. And here you go! What a great dish! Yummy, yummy, yummy! Bon appétit!